Every new Toyota comes with ToyotaCare, a no-cost maintenance plan that covers normal factory scheduled maintenance with the purchase or lease of every new Toyota. For the first 2 years or 25,000 miles, we've got you covered. ToyotaCare includes 24-hour roadside assistance. You can drive with the peace of mind knowing help is just a phone call away. ToyotaCare includes services like engine oil and filter changes, tire rotations, multi-point inspection, and fluid level inspection and adjustments. All ToyotaCare services are done by one of our Toyota certified technicians using Toyota genuine parts, ensuring your vehicle the highest quality of care to keep your Toyota a Toyota. If you're ready to shop for a new Toyota, visit our website or stop by the dealership where one of our Toyota certified product specialists will be ready to greet you. At Toyota of Warsaw, you may arrive as our guests, but you will always leave as our family. Toyota of Warsaw, arrive as a guest, leave as family.